Hi, my name is Samarth Parekh. I go to J.P. Stevens High School in Edison, New Jersey. My partner's name is Arjun Ramprasad, who goes to Centennial High School in Frisco, Texas. Both of us have just recently started using Python and learning its basics. We came into this hackathon looking for some experience, a great time, and being able to see the creativity of other fellow high schoolers. We have made a fully functioning calculator which can do several different tasks. The problem that we are trying to solve is that having many kinds of operations and functions on one calculator and conversion calculator are currently separate. However, our calculator combines all of the different calculators in just one. So we have made a user-friendly calculator and put all three of the different calculators in just one. Now I'll just be showing you the code. So first we just have a simple heading where the users can choose which type of calculator they want. So the first calculator choice is the simple calculator. This does the most simple operations as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, exponents, and then roots. And then now we go on the formula calculator. The formula calculator has 6 different formulas to it: the perimeter and circumference, area, volume, surface area, quadratic formula, and the Pythagorean formula. So then from there we used else if statements, and even a list to help us in our code. In our code, we use the different formulas and then we print them out based on user input. And then we have several different if statements, as you can see, nested inside of other if statements. And at the very end, we have our third calculator, the converter, which at this moment converts temperature into the different units, which are Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Now I'll be showing you an example of how exactly our calculator functions. So let's start off with a simple calculator, and we'll just use normal operation. We can do, let's see, 5 plus 3 times 4 minus 4 plus 4 raised to the third power, and 77. That should be correct. Now let's do that again. Let's just show you the roots, how the roots work. Let's say we type in 4, and then we want to square root that, 2, and there you go, your answer, 2. Now let's go into the formula calculator, and we'll do something, let's say the quadratic formula, very useful. So let's say we do 5 for A, B is 3, and then C, let's say we do 6. And it seems there are 2 imaginary roots, as a matter of fact, and they are -3 plus 10 point, well, you can read that. Then let's go into the conversion calculator. We have, let's say we convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And in Celsius we have 50, and Kelvin, that's simply 122. So the difficulties we encountered was being able to find the correct formulas and the necessary math functions needed to solve each of the equations. And as for our future plans, we plan to continue developing the program by adding new, more improved formulas, and we're also looking to create a very user-friendly website. Thank you, that's all for now.